In Wales, we celebrate Black History 365 days a year, but in Black History Month, we pay tribute to the figures of our past and to understand their struggles and experiences. We celebrate the figures that have paved the way for the future and ensure that we commit to do everything in our power to eradicate racism, bigotry, and prejudice in our society. That's why your Welsh Government has been working closely with communities right across Wales to play our part in creating a truly anti-racist Wales. A Wales that reflects on our past and celebrates the diversity and multiculturalism of our future. But tackling racism and inequality isn't just about words, it's about our deeds and our actions. It's only by listening and acting that we can achieve real change. And we're proud to have taken a number of steps to try and ensure we make this a reality. That's why the Welsh Government committed to producing a number of important pieces of work to address long-term structural inequalities and, most importantly, deliver a fairer and more equal society. Our draft Race Equality Action Plan, developed collaboratively, is built on the values of anti-racism. It sets out our vision and values for an anti-racist Wales, with goals, actions, timelines, and tangible outcomes, which will help us to move from the rhetoric on racial equality and ensure that we deliver meaningful action. Through the new curriculum, the history of Wales and its remarkable diversity will be taught to our future generations. And through our audit of statues, street names, and buildings, we can work to establish a mature relationship with our history and understand a heritage which can be shared by us all. We're working to ensure we celebrate Black history and create a fair and equal Wales for all. So as we reflect and celebrate the figures and experiences of the past, let's come together to ensure a fairer, more equal future for all.